Welcome to another episode of Ceylon Delights. My name is Ajit Ekanayaka. Today I'm going to show you how to cook Sri Lankan prawn curry. This is one of the dishes I used to make at my restaurant in Glenmaverley, Melbourne, Victoria. So let me run through the ingredients. For the prawns, I use Australian banana prawns. I have peeled them all. I have about 350 grams of banana prawns. Then I need one small tomato, half brown onion, 2 green chili, piece of lemongrass, and small piece of ginger, 2 bulbs of garlic, and curry leaves. Then spices, I need 3 tablespoons of Sri Lankan curry powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, and I use 3 pots of cardamoms, bit of fenugreek, and 4 cloves. We need salt to taste, and there's a special ingredient we call sprats or anchovy. In Sinhala we call it halmeso. I have 15 of them. The reason for this is like the Australian banana prawns does not give much flavor to the curry. So in order to make it more tasty, I use additional ingredient like this sprat. Okay, the next slide you can see the ingredient in detail. We'll come back again. Okay, I forgot to mention about another main ingredient, that is the coconut milk. I have about 2.5 cups here, but we may not need all of them, but you need coconut milk. And now you can see that I have cut my tomato into thin wedges and sliced my onion into thin pieces, and I have cut green chilies lengthwise, and my lemongrass cut into small pieces, and I have crushed ginger and garlic. Okay, now let's see how we make this. Let's heat up my pan, and then add small bit of olive oil. Now the oil is hot enough to add my first of all we add sprats. Just fry it for a while. Then you add onion. And curry leaves. in a green chili, lemongrass, then add tomato, then add my spices, cardamom, cloves and fenugreek. Add salt, about 1.5 tablespoons. Then add curry powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, and black pepper. Then add our coconut milk. Let's cook this for about 5 to 10 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. We don't add prawns now because we don't cook prawns for longer time. So we need to cook our spread and get the flavor added to the curry. Then in the final stage we add prawns. So let me come back after another 5 to 10 minutes time. It has been about 5 minutes now, so let me reduce the heat and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes time. Now it is time to add our prawns. Let me increase the heat. Sorry, I forgot to show you that ginger and garlic. It has to be added in the early stages. I forgot that, so I added just now, but it doesn't matter much. But you have to add garlic and ginger in the early stages. But I just added it. I forgot to add in the early stage. So it has been cooking 5 minutes now. So we are almost done. Let me cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see now, it's nicely getting done. And also I tasted this tastes very good. And then I also added a small bit of salt because you have to do that one because That depends on your requirement. You have to add salt. So I add a bit of salt to make it more tasty. Okay, we are done. So let me serve this into a plate and show you the final result. After resting up about 10 minutes, you can see how my curry got this golden yellow color, and I tasted it. It tastes very nice. You can have this curry with white steamed rice. Yeah, so that's all about my version of Sri Lankan prawn curry. If you like this video, please like it, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So thank you very much. Hope to see you all again. Thank you.